In preparation for leaving for Cayman, we dived to check that everything was okay, only to find some rope around the port prop. We had one last job to do, and that was to collect our ZARP, our clearance for the next port, from Rene, and then we'd be ready to depart. Our plan was to depart at first light for the 406 nautical mile run due north to Grand Cayman. We should then arrive around midday, 3 days later.
San Andres Port Control, San Andres Port Control, this is yacht Ocean Fox over.
Into channel 12.
Channel 12. San Andreas Port Control, this is your Ocean Fox. We just wish to depart San Andreas with ZARP number 106932019, over.
Can you continue with your manual? Standby 16.
Standing by 16. I think he said we can go.
You think what?
I think he said you can go. I don't know.
I don't know, I don't understand English.
Oh gosh. 1 meter.
Next issue we had was getting the second anchor up, which was attached to the main anchor.
To know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep on walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds. Your lips move, your eyes shine, you lose it all. I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love you.
Simon has been planning a lot of this journey. So far we have been running away from sandbanks and from Nicaragua because this is a coast, a very dangerous coast. So we are trying to keep ourselves like 100 miles away from the coast because of piracy. And but around 3 o'clock this morning he's going to turn into a better way to the wind, so we might be able to sail. And according to all the predictions, the wind is going to come out a bit more from the east, so we probably will be able to start sailing and going a bit faster, because the other problem is we will be arriving, if we keep going like this, we'll be arriving at 3 o'clock in the morning on Friday, which is terrible, because it's going to be in the middle of the night, we don't know what's going to happen. So we are still hoping to go a bit faster in the second half of the journey, so we can actually arrive by 6 o'clock on Thursday. That would make a big difference.
Roscoe Palm, this is Yacht Ocean Fox, Ocean Fox.
Ocean Fox, Low Carb.
Hello, sir. We're 2.5 miles off your port bow, and are you passing in front of me?
Surface evening.
We're 2.5 miles off your port bow. Are you going to pass in front of us? Over. Mister?
Are you part of there?
We're a sailing yacht. Over.
Yes, sir. I will give you no problem.
I wish to know if you're going to pass in front of us. Over.
Yes, sir. I will give you a pass.
Okay, standing by.
Bye.
You knew what he was saying. I hadn't got a clue what he was saying. I've got no idea at all. But at least if he didn't really know we were there, he does now.
Faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions, and now you sail away. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions, and now you sail away.
Georgetown Port Security, Georgetown Port Security, this is Yacht Ocean Fox, over. Good evening, sir, this is Yacht Ocean Fox requesting information.
Yes, sir, but let me ask you a bit of information. So your last port of call, the flag you're flying, and how many people on board and their nationalities?
We left San Andres 4 days ago. We are a British flagged vessel. We have 2 people on board with British passports. Over.
Yes, sir, I'm going to give you one here. Now, this is 1918.282 north. I repeat, 1918.282 north.
19 degrees 18 minutes 228 north.
08123.201 west.
08123. Could you repeat the last 3 digits, please? Over.
Yes, sir, .201.
0.201 west. Over.
Yes, sir, that is correct. If that is occupied, like I said, you can look to the north or to the south of that and see they're pretty much in a straight line, kind of.
Okay.
So once you found one, sir, you just notify me and I will put you in the system, and then tomorrow morning we call you.
Okay, question for you, are we allowed to go ashore this evening, over?
Negative on that, sir. Negative on that. You have to go through the clearance process before.
Okay, standing by on 16, or shall I stay on 14, over?
Stand by on 16, sir. It's probably we haven't here with the radio, so I was on 14 for a while there and missed your call. Apologies for that, sir.
Okay, gauge 16, standing by.
Roger that, sir. Stand by on 16.
Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video of our journey to the
Cayman Islands.
Cayman Islands.
On San Andres. Yeah, it was all a bit of a enjoyable journey, really. That's how I describe it.
It was a bit of motoring.
Yes, unfortunately, though we managed to sail for the first few hours, and indeed again for the last few hours, everything in between was either too close to the wind, so we had to motor, or on one of the days there was pretty well wasn't any wind at all.
Yeah.
But it did come out actually as we predicted. We'd taken some advice from a meteorologist, which you can find on the web, called Chris Parker.
Chris Parker, yeah. At the end, we thought we would need some professional advice to leave that island because it was a bit tricky, wasn't it?
Yeah, we'd actually made an attempt to leave the day before, and it was too rough, and the predictions weren't really right. So we got hold of this meteorologist, Chris Parker, and he gave us a personal view on the situation, told us when to leave, told us we had to be in Cayman by Friday evening.
Yes.
That was important.
Yeah.
And he gave us daily updates.
Yeah, it's pretty good because he gives the normal updates by email, and then if you need personal advice, you just call him and he just gives you, and he gives you the best route to do and stuff like that. So it's pretty good.
We'll put a link below if you want to look him up. Another thing there, just to sort of tell you what we do, and I'm sure other people do different things, but if there's a ship coming within less than a mile of us, particularly at night, not so much during the day, but at night, I always radio them up, see if I can get hold of them. And if nothing else, just to let them know that we're there. We're there. In case they've missed it.
But they seem to know.
They seem to know.
They seem to know.
Yeah, well, we've got the AIS, and they should know.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should know. But, you know, just in case something goes wrong or something's not working or somebody's asleep somewhere, that's our policy. If they're going to miss us a little bit more than that, then we don't worry about it so much. We just monitor the situation.
Yeah, exactly.
But we actually we had 3 nights on that trip, didn't we?
Yeah, it was 3 nights, in 12 hours, I think, something like that. Yes, yeah. But we managed to arrive by.
Well,
it was dark already by the time.
By the time we got there, we were searching around in pitch blackness, trying to find a mooring buoy.
Yeah,
unfortunately, like normal, we didn't record that bit.
Well, it was dark, difficult, and but the mooring buoys there actually they have like a blue strip. That it
reflects the light.
Reflects the light on at night, so it was kind of a good thing too.
And they're actually very, very helpful.
Very helpful. Cayman Islands, they were very, very good, really.
Yeah, and the mooring buoys are free, as we'll go into next week and explain all about that. And the check-in was an absolute doddle, wasn't it?
Yeah, and free too.
And free too. You can't complain about that.
No, you can't. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and please leave your comment below and subscribe to our channels if you're not yet. And thank you very much.
See you soon. Bye.